Glow. Recipe Vitamin C Toner Pads have quickly become one of my favorite skincare steps, especially on days when my skin looks dull or tired. The pads feel soft, cooling, and refreshing on the skin, almost like giving yourself a mini facial at home. After using them regularly, I noticed my skin looking brighter, smoother, and more even. They really help with dark spots, uneven texture, and puffiness under the eyes. My face feels hydrated and fresh, not sticky or heavy, which makes them perfect before makeup too. I also love that they're cruelty-free and vegan, so they feel gentle and safe for everyday use. The ingredients are what make these pads so effective. They contain 5 types of vitamin C that help brighten the skin and fade dark spots and dark circles without being harsh. Guava and glutathione work as antioxidants to protect the skin and prevent dullness. Caffeine and niacinamide help reduce puffiness, calm the skin, and improve overall radiance. Plus, they're made without parabens, sulfates, alcohol, artificial fragrance, or silicones, which is great for sensitive skin. Using them is very easy and convenient. After cleansing, I take one pad with the tweezers and place it under my eyes, or on areas with pigmentation for about 5 minutes. Sometimes I leave them on longer for an extra glow. On busy days, I simply swipe the pad across my face like a toner. After that, I follow with my serum and moisturizer. They're gentle enough to use daily, both morning and night. Overall, these toner pads feel like a quick, relaxing skincare treatment that gives instant brightness and long-term results. If you struggle with dull skin, dark spots, or tired under eyes, they're definitely worth trying.